Hello guys. Okay, first as initial step you have to reboot and remove external device like if you are connected external USB drive, external hard drive, please remove those things. Then after you can restart your computer, because sometimes the USB drive kind of thing try to enter the BIOS setting, so that's the issue for this kind of issue happened. Then after you have to create the bootable USB drive and plug into your computer and boot from that one. In the screen you can select the repair your computer option. Then after there are several videos in my channel how to create USB drive, so you can watch that video. Once you are click on repair your computer, then the menu will be appear. In that menu you need to select troubleshoot and then after advanced option, and finally not a command prompt, this could be startup repair like this. Then tap on it, then it will be show some Windows installation and follow, so you can follow the on-screen instructions. This will fix startup repair and boot issues automatically. So then after you need to again come to troubleshoot option and advanced option. In this time you have to select that from that menu command prompt. There will be option like command prompt. So in the command prompt you have to type this command one by one. So as initial command you need to type bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter. Once it is done, again you need to type bootrec space / fixboot and hit enter. And then after again you need to type bootrec space / scanos and hit enter. And finally you can enter bootrec space / rebuildbcd and hit enter. If you getting access denied kind of error in your this process, there is another video in my channel how to fix Windows startup repairs. It's uploaded before this video, so you can find there is a method for bypass that access denied error. So you can watch that video and then after come back to this video. Once you are enter these 4 commands, again you need to enter chkdsk space / C drive. This will be your Windows installation drive. It can be another later according to a Windows installation drive. So in my case it is C drive. Then after space / F space / R, hit enter. This will check the disk related issues and fix those issues. And if it is not working, again you have to come to the repair your computer option. Then after come to troubleshoot advanced option. In this time you have to select will be option called system restore. So once you are tap on it, you will be able to find if there is a restore available, you can select that restore and then after tap on next. So make sure this will remove all the file if you are created after the restoration. So remember that one. If you need to any file that you are necessary, you can connect your pen drive and copy the files to that. Then after go to restore method. If that also not working, again you have to come to troubleshoot option. In this time you can just select reset this PC and select the choose keep my files option to prevent personal data losing. So then after you can reset your PC into the factory default mode and now it will be working. If none of these method not working, you have to directly use your pen drive to reinstall your Windows. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.